another video of Generalist. And if you're sitting in the couch and just wondering what you're going to get out of this video, let me show you straight away. You're going to know how to get this tea for free. And apart from that, I would be also showing you how you can get these stickers of Hacktoberfest, Digital Ocean, and a lot of others. So, let me tell you what I'm exactly talking to you about. So this is something called Hacktoberfest, which is for developers, designers, and content writers and everyone. So if you ask me, really Balaji Rao, you are going to show us how to get this for free without any catches? Yeah, you got that right. With no catches, everything free, right to your door, this one. But in the start there is some effort that you have to put, and you have to learn something called as a version control, so which is something which could be very much useful for you all going forward. So let's get right into it. So before I start anything, let me tell you that I have been participating in Hacktoberfest for 2 years now. So I have got this one in the second year, which is like 2019, and I previously participated in 2018 one as well. So let's get right into it and see what Hacktoberfest is. If you could see in the background, there's this website called the Hacktoberfest 2020. So it's all about this open source event that's which goes on every year in the month of October. So let me give you a brief thing about what exactly this is. So I'm just showing you the website of this particular thing, and let me play this small clip for you to give you more understanding about the same.
It's October already. It's a Hacktoberfest. And if you don't know what Hacktoberfest is,
it's a celebration.
It's an open source request at a time. You can be a developer, designer, or even a content writer. In short,
did you hear that? You can be a developer, designer, content writer, or anyone to participate in this particular festival. And with that, all of these links related to this particular festival, you can find it in the description, right? So no worries about that. So to come over that, Hacktoberfest is a month-long celebration and starts at the 1st of October, and you have a month long to make the pull request, which I'll be letting you know in the later section of this video. And on this year, only the first 70,000 people participating on a first come basis are going to get these teas and the other swags. So you should be very fast in that and keep this in your mind. Also, apart from getting this tea, you can also choose to plant a plant, right? Which is another option apart from the tea. But I would suggest go with the tea, because this is your first. If this is your first Hacktoberfest, you will have a very memorable thing with that. And apart from that, let me just show you more things about this Hacktoberfest. On this FAQ page, you can almost learn a lot of questions related to, if you're a newbie, you would be like, oh, someone is giving me something for free, then there's some catch. No, there isn't at all. And you can read all of these FAQs to really understand about shipping, about events, about rules, about general things and everything. So apart from that, this Hacktoberfest has also given you some resources to just understand about how you can participate in this particular thing. So you can read this message by the founder CEO of Digital Ocean, and see he's the CEO, Janses Sprulser. And apart from that, you can also learn more about the participation, and they have given some free video resources as well, which you can play, and you can see the walkthrough how exactly you can do that. And with that, most importantly, this thing is like, I want to all, after you do this particular thing and complete your 4 pull requests, which I will be letting you know in the second part of this particular video, I want you all to teach one other friend of yours or a family member about this particular open source as well as the GitHub, how to do the version control and everything. This would really mean a lot to me. At the same time, we all can learn and grow together. So also, if you can't directly help them with that particular thing, do consider sharing this video and asking them to subscribe to the channel, so that when we get to the second part where I show exactly how you can do that and how you can make your successful pull request and get that tea on your at your home for you, then please do consider sharing this video with them and yourself subscribing this channel as well. So if you ask me what this channel is all about, recently I've rebranded it to Generalist. I have been doing a lot of things these days. I've been learning from a lot of places. I have been building my interdisciplinary skills where I've been doing a lot of things. I really wanted to share my learnings as well as empower a lot of you to try a lot of things and learn about things, practically implement them as well. So this is all about the channel Generalist. So see you in the part 2 where I will be showing you exactly the step-by-step procedure for any beginner without code, how you can do this particular thing and win this tea and all those amazing stickers and other goodies, swags and everything. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. And this is Balaji signing off, and bye.